What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. We are working on this project over here, our friend of a friend's truck that had was already studded and had blown head gaskets. Well, we just got the engine completely tore down, and I'm going to show you guys what I found. So here we have both of our head gaskets. The top one is the passenger side one. This lower one is the driver's side one. If you guys look, you can see the passenger side one was definitely the worst. Definitely blown head gaskets right there. Definitely blown head gaskets right there. So, yeah. Let's flip it over here. You can see maybe just a little bit starting on that one. The other ones looked okay. And then if we move to the driver's side one, we definitely have a head gasket problem here, and we definitely have a head gasket problem here. These head gaskets don't look like they were replaced not too long ago. We flip it over. We got a little action going on up here, a little action here, something going on down here. So, but definitely had blown head gaskets. Looking at the heads themselves, I don't think they're cracked, and I think I know why the head gaskets blew. I want you guys to look real closely at these marks along the head here. You see those? If the light can hit it right. Same thing on this one. See all those little lines all over the place? And if I move to the block here, and get the light to hit it just right, you can see those little lines like right here all the way everywhere. Look at them. Let's see if we can get a close up. See all them little lines? Not good. So what we have found is a classic case of somebody didn't know what they were doing, they thought they knew what they were doing, and they screwed up. So what I think happened is somebody used a 3M disc, basically just ground down right into the heads and the block surface to prep it. This is a serious sign of just poor preparation. So let me, I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, the tool that they probably used. This guy right here does not belong on those surfaces at all. No, this stays away from there. This will actually, this is abrasive enough, it will actually take metal off of the surfaces, and then you'll end up with what this guy had happen, which is metal got taken off. It's not a completely flat surface, both the block and the head, and what we have here is a blown head gasket. So now we got problems. Now we have to decide, okay, we'll probably send the heads out. We'll figure out, make sure those aren't cracked. He'll be able to machine any marks out of the head, hopefully, if none of them are too deep. And then, but the black surface is a huge problem. We might have to take that into the machine shop and get it decked. Make sure that that is completely flat. Get all the little scratches and grooves out of the top of the block. But then we run into clearance issues. Now we take machining off of the head, we take machining off to the block, and now we have issues with valve clearance and piston clearance. So we're going to run into a lot of different issues here. This project is definitely going to take a little bit longer. I'm going to have to let the guy know what we found, and we'll get the heads out, make sure they're not cracked. Hopefully, for this guy, I pray that they're not. So, yeah, not really good news. Not good news. So like I said, guys, we're going to be keeping these videos pretty short. We're going to be taking a lot of these parts in to get them cleaned up. We're going to get the heads in. I'm going to go talk to the machine shop guy, see what he thinks, see what he recommends. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to send the block out and the heads to get them completely machined and flat. So thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. Not good news for this guy. We are going to keep at it. I will keep you guys updated on the next steps for this thing. Stay tuned. Really appreciate you guys stopping in for today's video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. We'll catch you in the next one.